Good morning, students of Saraswati Vidya Mandir, class 12, commerce, subject business studies. Today we are going to start a new chapter after the successful completion of staffing. The next chapter, chapter number 7, directing. स्टाफिंग के बाद जैसा कि हम लोग अभी मैनेजरियल फंक्शन में हैं और मैनेजमेंट के नेचर और सिग्निफिकेंस को अंडरस्टैंड करने के बाद जब हम लोग प्लानिंग से शुरू किए तो प्लानिंग इज द फर्स्ट फंक्शन ऑफ मैनेजमेंट एंड देन आफ्टर द सेकेंड फंक्शन इज ऑर्गेनाइजिंग एंड देन आफ्टर स्टाफिंग एंड आफ्टर स्टाफिंग the next activity under managerial function which is performed by managers, that is directing. Directing क्या है? जैसे कि हम लोग जानते हैं कि जितने भी बॉलीवुड में सिनेमा होते हैं उसके डायरेक्टर्स होते हैं, तो डायरेक्टर जो होते हैं और फिल्म के सफलता का बहुत हद तक 100% श्रेय डायरेक्टर को ही जाता है. तो डायरेक्टर कार्य को कैसे करना है इसके लिए वो निर्देश देते हैं, वो इनिशिएट एक्शन करते हैं और इसलिए डायरेक्टिंग का काम सबसे क्रूशियल और महत्वपूर्ण होता है. स्टाफिंग तो हम करते हैं लेकिन उस स्टाफिंग के बाद डायरेक्टिंग जो है वो नेक्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट फंक्शन है टू डिजायर टू गेट द डिजायर ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. मीनिंग ऑफ डायरेक्टिंग, It refers to the process of instructing. ये क्या है? ये इंस्ट्रक्टिंग है, गाइडिंग है, लीडिंग है, काउंसलिंग है एंड मोटिवेटिंग पीपल इन एन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन टू अचीव प्री डिटरमाइंड ऑब्जेक्टिव और गोल. What is directing? Directing is a process of instructing, guiding, leading, counseling and motivation peoples or workers in an organization to achieve predetermined objectives. Directing is not a straightforward action which is made by or performed by managers, but it is a composition of various activities which at the same time a manager have to be performed, and that is a mixture of instructing, guiding, leading, counseling and motivation. So directing is a complex activity which is performed by a manager, and thus a director need a much higher qualification, mental ability and confidence in their self to lead the people, to counseling the peoples, to motivate the peoples, instructing and guiding. तो डायरेक्टिंग जो है किसी स्टाफिंग के बाद उस स्टाफ को काम क्या करना है, कैसे करना है, किस मोटिवेशन से करना है, इन सबको वो डायरेक्टर जो है या मैनेजर्स जो है वो अपने कम्युनिकेशन से उनको मोटिवेट करते हैं, उनकी काउंसलिंग करते हैं, उनको लीड करते हैं और उस डिजायर्ड वर्क को वो उनसे परफॉर्म करवाने में सक्षम होते हैं. दैट इज द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ डायरेक्टिंग. तो डायरेक्टिंग का सबसे बड़ा इम्पोर्टेंस है कि एक डायरेक्टर जो है, एक मैनेजर जो है, जो डायरेक्टर का काम करता है, डायरेक्शन का काम करता है, वो अपने वर्कर से जो डिजायर काम वो चाहता है वो निकलवा ले, वो करवा ले. दैट इज द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ डायरेक्टिंग एंड सो इट इज द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट फंक्शन ऑफ मैनेजमेंट. नाउ फीचर्स और कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ डायरेक्टिंग. डायरेक्टिंग के फीचर्स और कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स क्या है? पहला है इनिशिएट एक्शन. डायरेक्टिंग जो है वो एक्शन को इनिशिएट करता है, उसका शुरुआत करता है. तो दस डायरेक्टिंग इज वेरी essential function because without direction no one जो lower subordinates worker है cannot initiate their works, so they need direction to initiate work and thus directing stand for initiate action. दूसरा है take place at every level. There is 3 levels: top level, middle level and lower level, and at all level the super person, the top level person always direct to his subordinates for better goal, better work, and thus it present at every level of management. Third, a continuous process. As we know that management itself a continuous process, so any function or most important function of management directing is also a continuous process. Flows from top to bottom. Directing, it is a question also asked in board examination that directing is needed always for lower subordinate peoples. No, directing at every level, directing is needed or take places, but most commonly directing flows from top level to bottom level. It means that from MD, CEO level to lower subordinate or workers levels. Now the next topic is importance of directing. What is the importance of directing? First, initiation of action or initiate action. Without directing, action was not initiated by lower subordinates or workers or group of peoples. Thus, directing is needed to initiate action. Second, integrates employees' efforts. When unity of direction, the fuel principle of when there is directing from top level to all subordinates in same direction, then same motivation, then the all employees at lower level would get integrated their efforts towards a certain goal or towards a certain task, and the achievement of goal or task became a easy process. So directing is importance because directing able to integrate efforts. So able to integrate efforts of employee, and as we know that management is also defined as a group effort. To achieving objective or goal, group effort is necessary, and directing is capable to do that work, do that job. That directing stands to integrate the all over employees' efforts towards certain goal or objective. Third, provides leadership. Directing, the person who direct to his subordinates always has a quality of leadership, because only a leader can direct, can motivate, can communicate to its lower subordinate or worker or people. So डायरेक्टिंग का इम्पोर्टेंस ये है कि ये लीडरशिप क्वालिटी को डेवलप करता है, लीडरशिप प्रोवाइड करता है, एंड वेदर देयर आर क्राउड ऑफ पीपल, ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल वर वर्क, that group of people were not convert into crowd, that group of people were work in a same direction in integrated efforts. So there is need to be a leader, and through directing the work of leadership can be performed by a director, and on the basis of that leadership that person can able to get that desired work from its lower and subordinate peoples. D है introduce changes. Directing always facilitate, coordinate and integrate the efforts of people or lower subordinates, and thus it also introduce changes towards the facilitation of work culture, work environment for a smoother function and for a better mobilization and coordination between employees. Directing always initiate changes towards work culture or work environment within organization to make more efficient and effective contribution from employees. E, provide stability. Directing always made on a same pattern, that through directing there is always enhancement or getting the objective of organization, enhance the organization size and survival, and everything were merged within directing. Directing became the essential or pivot within an organization developmental process, and due to this it provides stability. When there is a stable direction, same linear direction towards organization objective or goal, then that type of direction would stand for provide stability to organization in future, and also make capable them to adopt the changes which going to be happen in outer world. अब है नेक्स्ट पॉइंट की एलिमेंट्स ऑफ डायरेक्टिंग क्या है. देखिए डायरेक्टिंग के एलिमेंट्स 4 हैं और ये चारों एलिमेंट्स मिलकर के डायरेक्टिंग बनते हैं. और डायरेक्टिंग इज इंटीग्रेटेड एफर्ट ऑफ द 4 फंक्शन, एंड दैट इज सुपरविजन, मोटिवेशन, लीडरशिप एंड कम्युनिकेशन. सो supervision, motivation, leadership and communication make directing as a function effective and efficient for an organization, and on the basis of a good direction, and a organization can able to achieve its goals. So in this video we described the meaning of directing, features or characteristics of directing, importance of directing. I hope you understand. You need to read this chapter from NCERT book once, at least once, and make your notes in your homework or peer notebook, and also remember it, because this is the very important chapter from the board examination point of view. And till then, take care, stay home, safe home.